In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to delete your transaction history. Let's dive right in. First, log into your Zil Money account using your credentials. Make sure you are inputting the right details for smooth entry into your account. Also, make sure to have a stable internet connection. You'll see the dashboard as soon as you log in. Once you're into your dashboard, head over to the Transactions tab in the main menu. Clicking here will take you to your transaction history, where you can view all past transactions. To delete specific transactions, simply select the ones you no longer need by clicking the checkboxes next to each item. You can choose multiple transactions at once. After selecting your transactions, look for the Delete button located at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear next. To complete the process, confirm your choice by clicking Yes on the pop-up. Your selected transactions will now be permanently deleted from your account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your transaction history on Zil Money.